So this is my 2000 Ford Explorer that I had loaned to my daughter. And then basically she used it for a couple years. Then she wrecked it. You see the corner there? And then it sat in her garage for like 6 months. And then she bought a new car and then she was like, can you come get that car out of my garage? But then I couldn't get it started, which I think I have some videos on that. But I had to take it to the shop. It turned out it had a bad fuel pump in the tank. I couldn't fix that. So it cost me like $600 to get that fixed. But now it runs, and this is great because this is the first step on our journey. So I just went by AutoZone to kind of fix it up. But you see this damage here? See this light, and this bumper was like all under that tire. This is where she had the accident. Other than that, it's working pretty good. I just washed it, and then this tail light here was messed up, but they don't have this here. Oh, I need to buy one of these. I need to do that. Let me do that right now. But basically, it just needs some TLC. So I got this thing, antenna, a fuel treatment, and then a phone jack, and a new cover for the steering wheel because, you know, my daughter put this girly thing on here. So yeah, make those small changes. Well, already there's a problem. I thought this was a screw. It's not a screw at all. So this whole assembly has to be replaced, basically. It's always something. Oh well. I need to fix this rear windshield wiper. Another bug, this motor is broken. This isn't really running, and it just won't really go. It squirts water, but it won't really move like it's supposed to. So I guess I have to replace this whole thing here. It's always something. Someone put this in a tank to clean the engine out. Okay. It's been sitting for 6 months. So I'm putting this on. All right. Make it look like a fake new car. Let's see. Maybe like that, like really hard. Can you help? No, I can do it. It's just gonna get hard at some point. It usually happens. Just have to massage it. There, actually wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Almost like new, good, okay. And then the last piece is cosmetic. I got these little caps for the ear, just for some style. My new tire, I had a flat tire yesterday. Really weird. All right, last thing to put this car charger in, because there's no way to charge my phone right now. Let's see. Here we go, awesome. Well, this can go here and here. Ta-da! Good, something's down. All right, let's go to the next stop.